10 interesting facts about carbohydrates. Number 1. Carbohydrates cause an acid attack on your teeth. When you consume carbohydrates, especially sugary or starchy foods, the bacteria in your mouth feed on these carbohydrates and produce acids as byproducts. These acids can then erode the enamel on your teeth, which is the protective outer layer of your teeth. This process is called demineralization. If you ever consume these foods, remember to drink water to remove food particles that trigger an acid attack on your teeth. Number 2. A low-carb diet can shorten your lifespan. A study published in The Lancet Public Health shows that people with a low and high-carb diet have a higher death rate. The findings of this study conclude that the lowest death rate comes from people who consume carbohydrates in moderation. But if you still want to remove carbs from your diet, replace them with vegetables instead of meat. Number 3. Not all carbohydrates are bad for people with diabetes. People with diabetes can still eat carbohydrates if they avoid the bad ones, simple or refined carbohydrates. What diabetics should do instead is consume complex carbohydrates like oats, carrots, and broccoli. People with diabetes can still eat carbohydrates while managing their blood sugar levels. Number 4. Carbohydrates are the most consumed macronutrient. Macronutrients are foods eaten in large amounts to make you healthy, and this is because of their ability to give your body instant energy. This is more helpful for people like construction workers who have a lot of physical activities throughout the day. Not consuming enough carbohydrates can lower blood sugar, which causes side effects like blurry vision, exhaustion, and lack of concentration. Number 5. It would help if you ate carbohydrates before and after working out. Carbohydrates are converted into glucose, which provides quick and easily accessible energy for your muscles during exercise. This can help improve your performance and endurance during the workout. Consuming carbohydrates post-workout helps replenish the glycogen, stored glucose, in your muscles that get depleted during exercise. This aids in muscle recovery and prepares your body for the next workout. Number 6. A high carbohydrate and low protein intake stunts a child's growth. When children consume a lot of carbohydrates, their insulin levels increase, resulting in reduced growth hormone that stunts growth. Meanwhile, a lack of protein in children's diets prevents bone development. That's why a balanced diet is a must. Number 7. Consuming too many simple carbohydrates can lead to increased hunger and fluctuations in blood sugar levels, contributing to overeating and weight gain. Simple carbohydrates are quickly digested and cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels and a crash. This can trigger a cycle of hunger and cravings, making it difficult to control your appetite and maintain a healthy diet. Number 8. You can lose weight without cutting carbohydrates in your diet. Carbohydrates are an essential macronutrient that provides energy and can be a valuable part of a balanced and sustainable weight loss plan. The key is to make mindful choices about the types and amounts of carbohydrates you consume and to consider overall calorie intake and portion control. Number 9. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. When consumed, they are broken down into glucose, which cells use for energy production. Number 10. The brain relies on glucose as its primary energy source. It uses about 20% of the body's total energy, even though it represents only about 2% of body weight.